Hey, what's up? In my opinion, Dreame is one of the best manufacturers of vacuum cleaners in 2021. I have already tested the Dreame T30 handheld vacuum cleaner about 2 months ago on our channel Tech Brothers, and I was very impressed by that product. Now we have a robot vacuum cleaner called Dreame D9. It has sweeping and mopping functions, Lidar Navigation, 3000 Pascal suction power, 5200 mAh battery, and 150 minutes of battery life. The price of this robot vacuum cleaner is $299, but you can use $20 of coupon code on Amazon page, and I have another $60 of discount code. So the final price for you will be only $220. This is really affordable robot vacuum cleaner, but before you go to buy it, watch this video. You know, the box of Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner is not very big, but it is heavy. There is the image of vacuum cleaner on the front and its main features on the back, such as LDS Navigation, vacuum and mop 2-in-1, 3000 Pascal powerful suction, and up remote control. Inside the box we have a user manual and quick start guide. The robot vacuum cleaner itself, charging dock, power cable, water tank and mop pad, side brush and cleaning tool. As you can see, Dreame D9 has only one side brush, and I am very interested in performance of this robot vacuum cleaner. Later we will do a cleaning test, but first let's talk about design of this device. The new robot vacuum cleaner from Dreame looks similar to Xiaomi products. It has a wide body and minimalistic design. There are 3 buttons on the top. By the way, they are physical, not touch. The first button is Spot Clean, then we have a power button and Return to Charging Base button. When you open the cover, you will see a dustbin as well as cleaning tool. There is also a Reset button and Wi-Fi indicator under the cover. Talking about dustbin, it has a capacity of 570 ml. It is really big. We can also see a HEPA filter in the dustbin. By the way, it is washable, but it must be full dry before the use. Now let's take a look at the bottom of robot vacuum cleaner. Here we have a rotating wheel and 2 charging contacts to the left and right of it. As you can see, a side brush is attached on the left side. In the center there is a main brush and 2 main wheels. By the way, you can remove the main brush and clean it from the garbage, wool and hair. It looks like Dreame D9 has 6 cliff sensors. They allow the robot vacuum cleaner to avoid falling down the steps. There are also other sensors on this robot vacuum cleaner, such as LDS sensor for navigation at the top, returning to dock station sensor on the front, collision buffer, and edge sensor on the right side. As I already said, a Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner has sweeping and mopping functions. There is a water tank in the package. It looks small enough, but actually its capacity is 270 ml. Before wet cleaning, you need to attach a mop pad to the water tank. Finally, a charging dock. It has 2 charging contacts to charge robot vacuum cleaner, as well as its own power port. By the way, you can read in user manual how to find a good place for charging dock. If you're interested in dimensions of a Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner, then it is 350 by 350 by 95 mm. The weight is 2800 grams. I don't know what's the relationship between Dreame and Xiaomi, but the new robot vacuum cleaner from Dreame looks very similar to Xiaomi products. I like its minimalistic design. In addition, the build quality of the robot vacuum cleaner is great. Now I want to tell you about all the features of the new robot vacuum cleaner. For that, let's go to Dreame official website, so I don't miss anything. The first and the main feature of Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner is the new 3.0 LDS Laser System. As you can see, it has improved sensibility and enhanced accuracy. The next feature of robot vacuum cleaner is SLAM Smart Algorithm for Route Planning. It has flexible ways of cleaning, as well as advanced mopping function. A suction power is 3000 Pascal, and there are 4 suction modes available. As I already said, the dustbin has a capacity of 570 ml. The battery has a capacity of 5200 mAh. The robot vacuum cleaner automatically recognizes carpets and boosts pressure for better cleaning result. A special antibacterial mop cloth eliminates 99% of bacteria. By the way, Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner also supports Alexa voice control. The last but not the least feature of the new robot vacuum cleaner is up remote control. Let's talk about application in more detail. By the way, I already said that there is some relationship between Dreame and Xiaomi, because the app is called Mi Home or Xiaomi Home. The connection of Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner is very simple. Just open Mi Home app, then click on plus icon in the left top corner. Then use the search panel to enter Dreame D9 and select the device. After that, you need to press and hold Spot Clean button and Charging Dock button on the robot vacuum cleaner, and you will hear a voice about network connection.
Waiting for the network setup.
Select Home Wi-Fi network and enter a password from it. A final step is to go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to Dreame Vacuum Wi-Fi network. Now you can go back to Mi Home app. We can see recommendations how to organize your home for cleaning, as well as set up charging dock. In the app we can see the map, and we can choose a room or zone for cleaning. There are also two buttons at the bottom: Return to Charge Dock and Start Cleanup. At the top of the screen, there is information about cleaning area and cleaning time. In the settings menu, we can choose a cleaning mode: Quiet, Standard, Strong, and Turbo, and a water flow mode: Low, Medium, and High. You can also set up scheduled cleanup, look cleaning history, and check accessories usage. By the way, if you lost a robot vacuum cleaner, you can tap on Locate My Robot in the settings, and the vacuum cleaner will say, "The robot is here."
The robot is here.
There's also a device settings menu, where you can choose a time zone. Change the voice volume. Turn on/off notifications. Activate carpet boost, resume cleaning mode, do not disturb mode, and mop cleaning. That's all about the app functions and settings. Now let's do a cleaning test. As usual, I will scatter 100 grams of garbage, and you see how much the robot vacuum cleaner picks up. I'll scatter the garbage on the hard floor and also on the carpet. The robot vacuum cleaner finished cleaning this room in just 1 minute. As you can see, it collected almost all the garbage, 97 grams. I also run a wet cleaning. As I said before, there are 3 levels of water flow: low, medium, and high. The mop pad looks like this after wet cleaning. By the way, I forgot to tell you about the noise level. Dreame D9 has 4 cleaning modes, such as Quiet, Standard, Strong, and Turbo. The minimum noise level in Quiet mode is only 42 dB. While the minimum noise level is 50 dB in Turbo mode. Dreame D9 is affordable robot vacuum cleaner, only $220, but it has powerful suction 3000 Pascal, long battery life 150 minutes, sweeping and mopping functions, as well as Lidar Navigation and SLAM smart algorithm. The application is very useful because you can choose a room for cleaning, change a cleaning mode and water flow, and many other settings. You can buy a Dreame D9 robot vacuum cleaner on Amazon. I will leave the link and $60 off discount code in description under the video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.